Assalamualaikum dear students. This is your English class. Your topic is Language Focus 2. Your subtopic is Direct and Indirect Speech. Student book page number 107.
What is a direct speech? In direct speech, the actual words of speaker are quoted as it is. The exact words of speaker are enclosed in inverted commas. Let us look at an example. Ahmed said, I am studying. Here, the exact words of Ahmed are stated. The part of the sentence Ahmed said is called reporting speech. And the part of the sentence that is in inverted commas, I am studied, is called reported speech. It is a reporting verb. What is an indirect speech? In indirect speech, actual words of speaker are transformed. Let us take the same example. The example in our direct speech was Ahmed said, I am studying. When we convert it into an indirect speech, it becomes Ahmed said that he was studying. So students, what changes do you observe? The first change is the removal of inverted commas. The second change that you have observed is the change of tense, and the third change is the use of conjunction that. Now we will study about some of the rules to change direct speech to indirect speech. First of all, we will study about the changes that we will bring in reporting speech part of the sentence. In the reporting speech, when we change from a direct to indirect speech, the reporting verb said to converts to told. Said gets converted to said. Said and said to, if it's a question, changes to asked. Says to gets converted to tells. Says into says, and says to, if it is a question, into asks. So, students, first we studied about the changes in the reporting verb. Now we are going to study about the change of punctuation when we are converting the direct speech into indirect speech. So, inverted commas will be removed, and in place of inverted commas, we will write that. And if it is a question, then we will write if, whether. Let's look at an example. The direct speech is, Ahmed said to Ahmed, you should visit Salt Lake City. So when we convert it into an indirect speech, it becomes, Ahsan told Ahmed that he should visit Salt Lake City. Now students, if you are going to remind the rules that we studied, the said to reporting verb has been converted into told, and the punctuation marks, inverted commas, has been removed, and instead of these inverted commas, we have added that. Students, till now we have studied about the rules to bring changes in the reporting speech part of the sentence. Now we will study about the rules to bring changes in the reported speech part of the sentence. So, first person in reported speech changes according to the subject of the reporting speech when we change a direct speech into indirect speech. In reported speech, change of the second person depends on the object of reporting speech, while the third person remains unchanged when we convert our direct speech into the indirect speech. Now we are going to talk about the tenses. If we have a simple present tense in the direct speech, then it will be converted into simple past in the indirect speech. Similarly, if we have present continuous tense in the direct speech, it will be converted into past continuous tense in the indirect speech. Present perfect tense into past perfect tense. Past continuous tense into past perfect continuous tense. While the past perfect and past